My name is Ryan Renfrey. I work for Polymer Solutions International. I've been with the company for about 2 years. I'm the marketing specialist and I run our marketing department, and we are a client of Interchanges and Live Chat. Live Chat was added last summer, right around July of 2017. And within 60 days, we were actually able to double our online leads. I have some other stats that I looked up this morning. Compared to last year, between January and June, we actually had a 112% lead generation increase in the first 6 months. This year, we actually had 350 live chat leads that came in from January to June, compared to our website, which only produced 2. The live chat is definitely dominating lead generation for our company. Even in marketing, I'm very customer service driven, as is our company. So being able to greet someone once they visit the website within a very short period of time, I think is something that is really important. There's a reason a lot of these big retailers have a greeter at their store when their customers first walk in, and I feel that it provides a very positive experience. They're smiling, they're welcoming that person to their store, and it's the same with live chat. When someone comes to your website, I'm a big supporter of them being greeted with a smile. Live chat is 24/7, 365 days a year. So our company, we have website visitors throughout the entire world. Even though our team may be sleeping at night, live chat never is. So being able to have someone respond to a person who has questions, and gather that data, and when our sales reps wake up in the morning, they've got leads that have already been generated while they've been sleeping, is something that is really important. So I think that's a huge selling feature for anyone who's interested in getting live chat. One of the big reasons why we decided to add live chat to our website. Our sales reps love live chat. One of the main reasons is it provides a lot more information and provides a very detailed conversation. They can see the interaction and the questions that have been asked from the prospect with a live chat rep. And, it provides them a lot more detail when it comes time for them to follow up with that customer. Also, too, there's been plenty of times where leads have been extremely urgent. Someone is looking to buy something, within a very short period of time. So to be able to see that sense of urgency in a lead is really important, and the rep can follow up immediately to be able to answer those questions in hopes of getting a new sale. As working in the marketing department, it's really important to be able to, produce an ROI. We had one of our sales reps had gotten a live chat lead back in November of last year, and it was just a prospect they wanted a quote for a particular product. That sales rep sent the quote back, and within a day, the quote was accepted, the order was placed, and that resulted in a $40,000 sale. And $40,000 sale is not too shabby. And the sales rep told me, "I can't believe how easy it was." And I said, "Well, that's what we call a layup." And live chat provides a lot of layups. There's nothing like a person being able to say, "Here's what I'm interested in," the quote is sent, and the sale is made. I definitely recommend live chat for any company that is selling a service or a product. It's important for people to be greeted when they come to your website. This world is also driven with technology. I'm not a real big phone person. I don't think anyone really likes to call a company today and sit on hold or get transferred to a department that might not be able to answer your question. In my personal opinion, I think it's so much easier to have in real time with a customer or prospect who has a question, even if that live chat representative is not able to answer that question, they can still gather the data. They can ask the proper questions that we need them to ask in order to get the necessary information and provide that information to our sales rep, so that the sales rep can follow up and answer the questions that the prospect or the customer has. I think adding GIFs or pictures, fun pictures, would be a great way to just kind of add a little bit more fun to the live chat. It's all about interaction, and there's a company that I work with closely, and they've got the GIFs, they've got fun pictures. So I just think it's a cool way to be able to communicate So I think something like that would be a fun feature to be able to add to live chat. My experience with interchanges has been absolutely awesome. They've got an incredible team. They got a ton of knowledge. And at the end of the month, they send me the lead report. They've got a very thorough script process. One of the things that we were kind of concerned are the right questions going to be asked? How is that interaction engagement going to take place? Very detailed script building process. So we knew exactly what words, what questions were going to be asked by the interchanges team. So that made the implementation for live chat that much easier. Absolutely. I give interchanges 2 thumbs up. Keep the leads coming. Like I said, live chat's an incredible service. It's a no-brainer. Anyone who sells a product online or service should totally have live chat. It's a way to be able to interact and engage. One of the things that I was really surprised, as well as our company, our website leads really didn't take much of a dip once we added the live chat. We basically doubled the amount of leads that we had in 60 days. And at this point, live chat dominates our lead generation on a monthly basis, getting more leads through live chat than we do our contact form submission on our website. So it's a no-brainer. Add live chat today.